Okay, hi everybody. This is your girl Ashley, and welcome to my page, Beauty by Hunny. So I just decided to start this page. I got some very great advice from a woman who I just happened to come up on in Marshalls a few weeks ago. And her name is, or her page is Makeup by Adriana, but Adriana is her name. And she just gave me some very good advice and really encouraged me to get started with this page and stuff. And I don't know what it is. I guess everything happens for a reason, and there's a time and a season for it, because my family and friends have been telling me for the longest to do a Facebook page and to do Facebook lives and stuff. This is not a live right now, but eventually I'll get to that part right there. But just in general, to create a page to bring more attention to my makeup and stuff like that. Yeah, I still love doing makeup. And I mean, I really haven't been doing a lot of people's makeup in general, but I still like overall makeup. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a makeup lover. And yeah, so on this page right here, I'm just going to be sharing my love of makeup. And like I said, you might get a bit of fashion, you might get some hair because I do love my wigs. But anyway, so tonight I decided to have a late night makeup session with me and my daughter, and I decided to do a review over the Beauty Bay Age of Opulence palette. And so it looks like this right here. I picked it up during the holiday season, so I'm not certain if it was limited edition, so I don't know if it's still available, but if it is, and these type of colors pique your interest, definitely give it a try. Um, this palette is bomb. I have yet to be disappointed by any of the Beauty Bay palettes that I have. They are so pigmented. I mean, very people of color friendly. Like, I'm certain that I don't think this is a black owned or a person of color owned business in general, but they definitely make the pigment of their colors where anybody can be able to use them without even having to have a base or anything like that. So yeah, I created this entire look except for two shadows using this palette, and of the 20 shadows that's in it, I used 12 of them. So 12 of the shadows. I believe I used this one, these right here, then these three right here, these two right here, and then these three right here. So yeah, that's a lot of shadows. I just was very, and I would have used even one more if I would have seen that black was in there, but the colors were just so much fun, and I just wanted to see how much depth I could get from a look by using as many colors as I could possibly use. But anyway, my quick review is that this palette is definitely a banger. You should give it a try if you can get your hands on it. Yeah, other than that, the other two shadows that I did use came from the BPerfect Cosmetics and Jah Makeup Artist. And this was using her Clientele palette, and this was a collab that she did. So I used Dirty Tan, which is this shade right here. That was the first transition shade I used on the top. And then on the lower lash line for transition, I used the shade Jaja. So other than that, this whole look was practically created using one palette. And that's the challenge I'm having for myself, or making for myself to step up to. And also why also another reason that pushed me into getting or starting this page right here is because I love doing YouTube. I honestly do, but the editing part is just so cotton picking, time consuming, and uh it's just time consuming. Like, I have plenty of videos that I have filmed and stuff. It's just when it gets to the editing part, I'm just like, I'll get started, and then that's it right there. So this page and having this type of platform right here, along with my other social medias like my Instagram page and stuff, I can just post quick videos and pictures and stuff and get the point across as well without having to go through the process of editing. And then maybe I'll take these videos and then upload them to my YouTube channel. And actually, I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and just get in the habit of doing that, because as you can see, that's makeup over there, it's makeup over here, it's makeup all in this area, and I really need to utilize and use this because that's money and I ain't got none to waste. But anyway, I want to just thank you guys in advance for your support and for coming to my page. I look forward to showing you or uploading other things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, also, if you're interested about anything else that's on my face, for this rest of this look, it will be listed below. I don't know if it'll be listed by the time I upload this video because it is currently, okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 2:43 a.m.
2:43 a.m. So I really need to get this off because I got to get up in the morning and make breakfast for my daughter. And yeah, so if it's not on there right now, then I will come back later on today and upload it or put the information on there. Anyway, again, thank you for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.